What's up, guys? Well, I decided to get a new case for my Xeon PC. It is a DIYPC IllusionII with the tempered glass front and side panel. Sorry for the darkish video, but I figured that's the best way to show off the cool fans. But it's pretty nice. It's $69 on Newegg. We got a USB 3.0 here, headphone and microphone right there, USB 3.0, hard drive activity light, reset switch, power switch, and power LED right in there too. No, it's kind of hard to see, but oh. And then there's the inside. The back has a LED fan too. There are no fans at the top at all. And there's my GTX 1060. But anyway. Alright, here's the interior. Got two SSDs behind there. I've got a 240 gig SSD there and a 128 gig SSD with the OS there. And then buried under the PSU shroud I have a 758 Samsung. We have a Noctua DH14 cooling a Xeon 2670 E5. I've got it overclocked to 3.52 gigahertz, I think. And then, like I said before, there's my MSI GTX 1060, 6 gig. Oh, it's also got, you probably can't see it, but it's got some G-Skill Ripjaws RAM, red. There's 16 gigs of that, and it's 2133 megahertz RAM, but I have it clocked at something weird because I had to lower its clock when I started messing with the CPU overclocks. But so far the only thing that seems to be wrong with this case is it doesn't have the best airflow in the world. So I'm in The Witcher right now, just kind of at the loading menu here. But yeah, other than that, other than the temps being slightly higher than my old case, it's a pretty nice case. I like it. And I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a cheap tempered glass case. The only thing is they forgot the front feet, so I have them sending me front feet. But luckily all I did was email them and they had no problem with sending me some new feet. Little strange they forgot those, but whatever, it's not a super expensive case from a super reputable company that I know of anyway. But they were quick to respond to my email and they're quick to fix it, so that's cool. But anyway, that's about to do it for this video, so till the next video, peace out, guys.